Welcome back to my channel. Today we're trying something that makes my mouth water just thinking about it. Gizdodo, that's right. We have got gizzard, plantain, and all those spicy, sweet, savory flavors coming together to make this. So without wasting time, let's get into it. It is the perfect balance of sweetness, heat, and that rich, meaty goodness. Gizzards can be tricky to cook, but this one is tender with a slight bite, which pairs so well with the sweet plantains. First off, let me talk about the plantain. It is perfectly fried, crispy on the outside, soft and sweet inside. The sauce is just packed with flavored tomatoes, peppers, onions, and spices, and that little oil that makes everything just come together. And that sauce, spicy but not overpowering. And the gizzard, let me tell you, it is chewy in the best way possible. Honestly, if you have never tried Gizdodo, you need to fix that ASAP. I love how the plantain soaks up the sauce. You get that hint of sweetness, and then boom, the heat of the pepper kicks in. It is like a flavor explosion in every bite. You have got that spicy kick from the pepper sauce, the sweetness from the dodo, and the rich savory gizzards. Ooh. Honestly, if you have never tried Gizdodo, you need to fix that ASAP. Whether you're into spicy food, sweet plantains, or just a mix of flavors, this food has it all. You need to try it. It is a 10 over 10 for me. Let me know in the comments if you have ever tried Gizdodo and if there is another dish you would want me to try next. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share if you enjoyed this video. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my food adventures. Catch you in the next one.